Skill Compact Multi-Cutter is a versatile tool designed for effortlessly cutting through various materials such as cardboard, carpet leather, and vinyl, up to 6 millimeters thick. It features a 40 millimeter diameter blade that stays sharp over time, ensuring precise and accurate cuts with every use. Engineered for both performance and comfort, this lightweight compact tool has an ergonomic handle that fits comfortably in your hand. For added safety, it includes a built-in power lock to prevent accidental startups. With a blade speed of 300 RPM, it's optimized for cutting most materials you'll encounter. Compatible with all Skill 12-volt batteries, this multi-cutter is a reliable tool for a wide range of tasks, whether you're working on a DIY project or a more demanding job. Makita cordless brush cutter features a 24-inch blade and delivers exceptional performance in a lightweight design weighing just 5.95 pounds. Powered by a lithium-ion battery, this eco-friendly tool operates with zero emissions and minimal noise. Its high-efficiency brushless motor running at 4,000 RPM offers 50% greater efficiency, making it ideal for cutting through dense vegetation. The signature turquoise color and distinct Makita branding enhance its appeal. Designed to cut branches up to 3/4 inch thick, this trimmer is sold without a battery or charger, making it a convenient choice for users who already own Makita tools. RIDGID transportable Vise is built to face up to hard jobs even as presenting convenience at the move. Its chain clamp securely holds pipes ranging from 1/8 to 6 inches in diameter, making it suitable for metal, copper, or PVC. The foldable tripod layout ensures clean transportation whole with a wearing cope width and self-locking mechanism. Setup on the job site is a breeze, just spread the legs, and also you'll have a stable work floor in seconds. An extra feature is a grounding tab for welding tasks, allowing for safe and powerful paintings. Plus, the integrated device tray maintains your essentials prepared and within a tane, making sure you're constantly prepared to get the task done. Milwaukee brushless pruning shears are a high-performance, battery-powered tool crafted for effortless cutting and trimming of various materials. Designed for efficiency, they can easily slice through branches up to 1.25 inches thick, outperforming traditional hand tools in speed and ease. Equipped with advanced active blade control technology, the blade responds dynamically to the movement of the trigger, offering precise control during pruning tasks. With a robust battery, these shears can handle up to 1,000 cuts on a single charge, making them ideal for heavy-duty pruning jobs. Stanley Folding Workbench is perfect for those who need a full-sized workstation without sacrificing space. When folded, it measures just 20 centimeters deep, but when opened, it provides a sturdy 90 by 45 centimeters work surface. Designed for wall mounting, it transforms into a fully equipped workstation with a perforated panel for easy tool organization, keeping screwdrivers, pliers, and other essentials within reach. Installation is quick and hassle-free, with all necessary brackets and screws included. Built with a durable MDF surface, it supports up to 100 kilograms, ensuring long-lasting reliability for any project. Pro Series Door Installation Hardware Toolkit is designed to securely hold doors in place vertically, allowing for hands-free operation and increased efficiency. Its versatile design accommodates a wide range of doors, including standard swing sliding and barn doors. Compatible with doors ranging from 1 to 1 and 3/8 inches or 1 to 1 and 3/4 inches thick, it supports weights of up to 300 pounds. Featuring adjustable height and the ability to level the door in 3 directions, this tool streamlines the installation process, saving time and effort. It also reduces the risk of damage to walls and doors while preventing strain or injury by eliminating the need to manually hold heavy doors during installation. Ronlap's furniture caster set includes 4 3-wheel casters, a lever, and 4 height extension pads. Designed with a low profile, these casters can easily slide under furniture with minimal clearance. Each caster is built for durability, supporting up to 130 pounds and offering 360-degree rotation for effortless movement in tight spaces. Whether you're moving furniture or tackling renovations, the Ronlap Furniture Dolly is an indispensable tool to make the job smoother and easier. A versatile multi-tool engineered for efficiently handling a variety of electrical tasks. This compact and multifunctional tool combines 6 essential features, including cutting wire stripping crimping and fastener measuring. Designed for versatility, it supports a range of wire gauges from 8 to 22 AWG for solid wires and 10 to 26 AWG for stranded wires, making it suitable for various applications. Its precision-crafted wire cutters ensure clean and accurate stripping for wires of all sizes. Constructed from high-quality, durable materials, this tool withstands tough conditions, while its ergonomic plastic handles provide a comfortable and secure grip for prolonged use. A compact and powerful grinder is a must-have for any craftsman. Equipped with a 1-amp motor delivering 12,000 RPM, this corded detail sander offers smooth and precise surface finishing. Its ergonomic design with a soft upper grip ensures comfort and reduces hand fatigue during extended use. A built-in counterweight minimizes vibrations for enhanced working comfort. It also features a microfiltration system and a dust extraction port compatible with vacuum cleaners, keeping your workspace clean. The Velcro fastener allows for quick, hassle-free abrasive paper changes, boosting efficiency. EcoPower Plus Nexus is a versatile portable power station built for both indoor and outdoor use regardless of weather conditions. Weighing 44 pounds, it delivers up to 3,000 watts of peak power and 2,000 watts of continuous power. Equipped with 3 120-volt outlets and 4 USB ports, it can charge multiple devices simultaneously. A built-in backlit display provides essential information, including runtime and charge levels. Powered by rechargeable 7.5 amp-hour batteries, the Nexus is easy to transport thanks to its durable and ergonomic metal handle. EcoPower VEVOR 14-inch Chop Saw is a powerful 2,800-watt steel cutting machine designed for precision and durability. With a 355mm blade and 1,200 RPM speed, it delivers clean, effortless cuts on metal and steel. The included Evolution Power Tools Cyclone Magnetic Swarf and Chip Collector Wand efficiently picks up metal debris, keeping your workspace clean. Built for heavy-duty use, this combination enhances both cutting efficiency and safety. Ideal for metalworkers, fabricators, and DIY enthusiasts, a must-have set for smooth, professional-grade metal cutting and cleanup. Bosch Rotary Tool is a versatile and durable device built for professional applications such as cutting, milling, drilling, deburring, and grinding. Compact and ergonomically designed, it includes an integrated LED light to enhance visibility in tight spaces. Its powerful motor features a 6-step speed control ranging from 5,000 to 35,000 RPM, making it suitable for various materials. Powered by a 10.8-volt lithium-ion battery, it is equipped with electronic protection to prevent overload overheating and deep discharge, ensuring reliable operation. Accessories can be easily changed using the spindle lock, while the dust guard helps protect the chuck during delicate tasks. CargoBuckle G3 is a premium lashing strap designed for securely fastening loads with precision and durability. The set includes 2 heavy-duty straps, each equipped with a ratchet mechanism for tight and secure tensioning, along with a stainless steel hook for reliable attachment. A quick release button allows for effortless retraction into the protective plastic housing, ensuring tangle-free storage. Featuring a double locking system, it guarantees maximum load stability. Made from high-strength materials, the straps support a maximum load of 3,500 pounds and a working load of 1,167 pounds. With a 2-inch width and 72-inch length, the design ensures smooth, even tensioning while preventing fraying or breakage. Festool positioning fixture enhances edge finishing by providing speed and consistent quality. It supports workpieces ranging from 3/16 to 2 3/8 inches and adapts to inclined surfaces between 43 degrees and 92 degrees, including curved contours. Users can choose between soft mode for flexible angles or hard mode for fixed positioning. The ergonomic thermoplastic elastomer handle offers multiple grip options, reducing fatigue and improving control. Features like full surface support prevent tipping, while the sliding cross guide makes abrasive changes effortless. Additionally, replaceable pads protect delicate surfaces, making this an excellent tool for precise edge finishing.